The troop commander presents his men to the honorable board, signifying that they are now ready for presentation. Sir, the troop is now ready for the presentation. Is as complex and daunting as it may appear. The synchronous movement that requires coordinated execution marks the presence of mind in each driller. It is also a word you use to show that you are happy to see or meet someone. CAT formation. As per Depth and Order number 50, Series 2005, the requirement of the CAT program shall be completion of any or a combination of its three program components, namely military orientation, community service and public safety, and law enforcement. Recognizes the very institution that demands discipline and obedience to every command required of. It emboldens the esprit de corps that each cadet and cadets must possess and internalize. It aims to enhance the students' social responsibility and commitment to the development of their communities and develop their ability to uphold law and order as they assume active participation in the community activities and assist the members of the community, especially in times of emergency. Manual of Arms displays the wisdom and the judgment to create harmony in every command uttered and obeyed. More than the different formations combined with the display of rifle drill and the dance maneuver. Movements are a combination of the position of attention and the procedures for the prescribed movement. Most Manual of Arms movements are executed with the head, eyes, and body as in the position of attention. Cross formation symbolizes the crossroad of individual decision. The center of it, we divide which path to follow. In DRRM, it helps us identify and map local capacities to cope with these hazards. Ultimately, the DRRM approach helps us conduct effective disaster response while reducing risks that similar disasters will reoccur. Rescue comprises responsive operations that usually involve the saving of life or the urgent treatment of injuries after an accident or a dangerous situation. Asterisk formation, the North Star that we follow where stability and purpose and guidance will usher to our objective. This asterisk symbolizes our belief and commitment that medallions do have more to give and further to achieve. Formation, with two different highest points and midpoint, directs the convergence of two different elements, coming as separate unit but united in purpose. The vista in each summit reminds to see from the above the lofty goal of the team. Formation is the tenacity to become valiant and the victor to the feat it seeks to overcome. It has to muster courage if such is required and to leave every inhibition behind. 。 formation is the core of this participation with the coordination of the ear we hear, because it is the gateway to the heart, and so it is preceded by discipline. Everyone, I give you the pride of our own. Formation is a recognition of the opportunity to take part in an event that requires harmony and discipline and the values it imprints in the core of every driller. It also signifies a sense of gratitude that helps medallions feel more positive, relish good experiences, deal with adversity, and build strong relationships with other drillers. Review. The finale is a conclusion and the manifestation of an orchestrated, harmonized cadence of the command and execution. Even if the demand to race higher is daunting, our mantra is constant and the same. To the local government unit of Bago City, our sincerest and heartfelt thanks for sponsoring this event, whereby the horizon to our cadets were further broadened through this friendly competition. This event has touched our CAT cadets' hearts, and it made an impact in their lives. To the celebration of Cinco de Noviembre, may the ideals of those heroes remain steadfast in the hearts of the medallions and to the Negrenses in general. To the local government unit of Bago City, our grateful thanks. To the PMA officers, our snappy salute. A bluff in the past that gave us sovereignty at last. Ad astra per aspera. To God be all the glory.
Thank you so much, performer number 4 from MG Medalla Integrated School, Bacolod City. And now,